There's the new split link chain that's going to be fitted soon, hopefully. There's a split link. It just comes off there by the looks of it. Pull that off, clip it to the old one, clip that back on, feed it round the cogs, and then clip the other end back onto the new one. And that's it, apparently. Although I haven't had the bottle to do it yet myself, but looks like I'm going to have to do it soon because the noise is getting even worse. Right, now let's have a look at the old chain. Right, first of all let's remove the rocker cover and the turbo bit. 2 bolts there, and don't forget to disconnect these wires. Power the turbo fan, intercooler fan. Okay, turbo bit is now removed. Intercooler. From the bolts there, disconnected the wires there, and 2 bolts up front. Now for the rocker cover, and then we'll have a look at the chain. Hopefully it hasn't moved much since last time. Right, still a bit hot. I can't get in there to have a proper look yet. Ow. I think we'll wait till it cools down a bit. Okay, let's see if we can get in there. I don't know whether it looks any different than last time I looked. There is movement there, a little tiny bit. Well, you can see that. Ow, it's hot though.